What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And y'all, I am a little under the weather, but we gonna get this video done by all means necessary. Okay, so this video is just going to be another one of my September/October favorites. I was supposed to do this last month, but I just wanted to compile September and October together. We are literally in November. It is, what is it today? November 19th. So I like to do these every now and then to show y'all what I've been loving, because there's so many products that I try that I'm using, and it's so hard to just tell y'all everything in my vlogs because then it gets too long. So I decided to do a separate video for like my favorites that I've been loving for the months. So the first product that I have been loving, I am wearing right now on my face, it is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. I know everybody on the internet has been talking about this. I've been using it for a couple months now, and it is definitely one of my favorite products. It is their Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder for face and eyes. I love this product so much. I have been using it non-stop, y'all. I hit pan. I normally don't hit pan. I'm starting to hit pan on it. I still have a lot of product in there, but I'm starting to hit pan. This blurring powder has saved my life, especially since I have acne prone skin and I am very susceptible to hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And sometimes I want to go out, but I don't want to wear a full face. I just want a little something on my face, and this does the job for me. I love that it is very lightweight on my skin, and that it gives me like a skin like finish. Like you can still see some of my dark spots through my skin, but the best part about it is if you live in a humid, hot climate, this will not budge at all. Like your face will stay looking the same in the heat. I wore this in Miami when it was super humid, super hot, sweating. It has stayed on my face. Of course, it's a powder, and when you blot it off, it's gonna show up on the towel or like the paper towel, but it stays on your face, and it doesn't allow your face to get super oily and super greasy, which is what I love. It slowly allows your natural oils to peek through and just give you like a nice glowy, dewy look, but not greasy. So that's why I love this. And I use the shade 9, which is not like my perfect shade. It's a little bit more orangey, but their shades are not that wide. So this was the closest one when I matched it at Sephora to my skin tone. So that's the first product. The next product is this Charlotte Tilbury. This is their setting face powder or whatever you want to call it, and I got it in the shade medium just for my under eyes, because when I finish setting my under eyes, sometimes I want a bright under eye. So this powder has done the job. This is what it looks like. It's a little bit like a light powder, but I got it that specific shade because I want a bright under eye, and it literally brightens your under eye and it doesn't leave it cakey, which I love. And then you can also bring it with you on the go. It's like a little mini compact with a mirror at the top that you can just blot off any excess oil, and it gives you like that brightened under eye. So after I set my under eye with my setting powder, then I will go in with this just to add a little bit of a highlighted effect, and it works really well. The next product that I'm going to talk about is these little mini perfumes that I got from Micro Perfumes. So I have really been into travel size perfumes because sometimes I just want to be able to pop this in my purse, pop it in my bag when I'm traveling. If I'm bringing a carry-on, you can't bring a certain size through the airport on a carry-on, and sometimes you want to refresh your perfume. Nobody wants to be walking around with a big old bottle of perfume like this in their hands. So I just pick up these Micro Perfumes. They are so cute. You just pop them in your bag. You can take them out like this. This is how much comes in it, and I buy them off of Micro Perfumes. This one is Grand Soir by Mason Francis Cartagena, and this one is Another 13 by Le Labo, and this one is Gentle Fluidity Silver by Mason Francis Cartagena. I love these. Like I said, they are very compact, great to throw in your purse, great to throw in your carry-on, and you're just on the go. And if Also, you want to try out certain perfumes but don't want to buy the entire bottle, then you could just get these little travel size ones and for a fraction of the price. Now, I do think that they're a little bit pricey, but if you go to like Ulta or Sephora and buy a travel size perfume, they're pretty much like the same price, like $35–40. So I feel like these are pretty good investment. Love them so much. Pop them in my purse and go. The next fragrance that I have been really loving is the Prada Le Femme Prada. This is my favorite all-time perfume of all time. Okay, like I love this perfume so much. It is very feminine but sexy at the same time. It dries down to a nice musky powder scent. It's a floral, but it's also a woodsy, powdery, floral scent. It's a little bit sweet at the same time. So I feel like this is the perfect feminine perfume, and it also gives you like that, you know, like that girly vibe too, but with a little bit of masculine punch with like the woodsiness in it. So I've been spraying this like crazy. I normally don't spray this during the summertime because it's a little bit more on the warmer side. But for the fall and spring, it's really good. Like, I love it. It smells so powdery, a little bit soapy too, but gets the job done. Love, love, love it. And then for body lotions, I've been loving this Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. This is the pink grapefruit, but they do have it in the fragrance free and another fragrances, and I've been hitting the bottle, like the jar. Y'all see, this is so hydrating, so moisturizing. If you have really dry skin and eczema prone skin, this is great. It's non-greasy and it leaves your body so soft. It doesn't transfer onto your sheets. It gives you like a nice glowy sheen, but you are super moisturized until like the next day. Your body will be so soft. So I love this brand. They have great skincare products too. A little bit pricey, but you can get them on sale during the holiday times. Like, you know, right now it's the holiday time, so they have sets and a lot of promotions going on for Black Friday, for, you know, Christmas. So yeah, pick this up, y'all. So good. The next one is by Laura Mercier. This is the Almond Coconut Body Cream. Now, this body cream is not moisturizing at all to me. I feel like it's more so for the scent, but this scent lingers and it travels. Like, you will leave your scent trail with this scent. Every time I wear it, people are just like, oh my God, you smell like a banana pound cake. It's so good, especially if you layer it with perfume. Ooh, baby, so good. This smells just like it says, almond coconut. And like I said, the smell, it stays on your clothes, it stays on your bed sheets. This will leave a scent trail. It will get you a lot of compliments. You don't even need to wear perfume with this. This is perfume in a jar, but as a body cream. But I would layer it with like a non-scented thicker lotion so that you can get the moisture, but you can also get the scent from it. So I've been loving this. Next, I've been loving this lip gloss from Ulta Beauty. This is the Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss in Pink Rose. I have it on right now. It's super moisturizing, super hydrating to the lips. You get a little bit of sparkle. It's sheer, it's pink, but it doesn't give you like Dave Chappelle lips. Like, you know what I mean? Like that pink that people be wearing that you need to put like a brown liner on. This is more like a gloss, so you can top it off. You can wear it separate. I just love it. The wand is pretty, like, soft, and I just love it. I wear it by itself, and I'm almost out of it, so I need to re-up on it from Ulta. So good. The next few things that I'll have is bath. This is currently my favorite razor that I have been using. If you are somebody that don't like to spend a lot of time in the shower and you just need a quick 5–10 minute shave, this is your go-to. You don't need no shaving cream, no extra razors. This is a 2-in-1. It has the razor in it, and then it has the cream and gel right there. All you need to do is add water and you shave your skin. This gives me such a close shave. I am able to get every bit of hair in a fast amount of time. When I'm about to go to my little, you know, dates or whatever, and I forgot to shave the night before, baby, I just hop in the shower and I zoop real quick. The only thing is with this one, I would not use it on your bikini because it's kind of bulky and it's hard to get in the inside areas. with it, so I would use a separate razor for my bikini area, but this doesn't give me any razor bumps, anything like that. Love it. All you gotta do is rebuy the cartridge right here and pop it in there. You don't have to rebuy this part. So I love it. Really good, amazing. Been a favorite of mine ever since I purchased it. This is by Venus. Did I say what it is? Intuition. I think it's Venus Intuition. Yeah, that's what that is. The next things I have is the shower body washes that I have been using, the combo hits. The combo hits, okay? So it is the Saltaire Santal Bloom. This is a very creamy body wash, right? And then I mix it with the Native body wash. This is the Spike Eggnog for the holiday season. These two together, baby, you're going to be smelling so creamy, so delicious, but it doesn't linger on your skin. It lingers more so like when you're using it in the shower. I usually like a body wash that leaves a scent in the bathroom and on me, but these more so don't really do that. The Spike Eggnog really smells like Spike Eggnog. It doesn't smell artificial at all, which is why I love it. And like I said, this is a clean brand. This is a clean brand as well. I usually use more of this and then I'll add a pump of this to it. You'll be smelling like heaven. Goddess bathroom, top tier. And I love with Native on the back, it tells you what ingredients are in there and what it's actually for and what it means. And it doesn't have any sulfates and any of that. Your body will be so hydrated. It actually feels like it cleans your skin. Most body washes that I have tried in the past, they leave like a film on your skin and I don't feel like it gets you super duper clean. But the Native one, it actually gets you super duper clean, leaves your body moisturized, but without that film, if you get what I mean. So try it out. Native body washes are tea. The next few items I only have a little, like 3 or 4 items. This is a metabolism tea by Shake Some. It is a black owned cafe in Atlanta. They also do like workouts and they have meal plans and meal replacements in there. But this one is a metabolism tea. You add it to water. It has 0 grams of sugar in it. And it helps to boost your metabolism, gives you energy without the jitters and the crashingness. And this is the strawberry mango, and I use it in replacement of juice and sodas to remove all of that refined excess sugar, which can cause acne and inflammation in your body. So these taste really, really good. You just add it to a gallon of water and you shake it up, mix it, and then you use it as like a juice. You know, you can drink it multiple times a day and it works. I love them. They have so many different flavors, but this is the strawberry mango and amazing. I'll leave the links to everything down in the description box. The next thing is a Seamoss capsules. I have been using Seamoss for over 1.5 years, ever since I found out that I have a hormone imbalance. And I've been using Seamoss because it has 92 of the 102 trace minerals that are found in your body. And I primarily use it because it gives you healthy, glowy skin. It helps with removing inflammation out of your body. If you have joint pain, I do not get sore from going to the gym at all. I hardly need a protein shake, but I still take a protein shake to help with muscle recovery. But this, I do not get soreness. I am able to work out multiple times in the week and still have a lot of energy with this Seamoss capsules. You just take 2 a day. They have a Seamoss gel as well. This is from the Transformation Factory. They are the only company, it's black owned, that I take their Seamoss gels and their capsules. The Seamoss gels taste so good. It tastes like applesauce. Like, I look forward to taking the Seamoss gel. They have different flavors. They have like pineapple, mango, dragon fruit, soursop. I put my friend onto it and she was like, oh my god, girl, I've tried so many Seamoss gels and they taste like the damn ocean. But this company, I don't know where they get it from, what they do with it, but it's so good, so tasty. It doesn't have that ocean taste. It just tastes like applesauce. Now the texture is a little bit, you know, slimy in a way, but you get used to it and they taste so good. But yeah, I've been taking the capsules because when I travel, I'm not able to travel with the Seamoss gel, and it does the same thing, the capsules and the gel, but I feel like the capsules are a little bit more affordable and cheaper than the gel. And right now I think they're having a sale, buy one get one free for Black Friday, so y'all need to hop on it. The last item I have, well, not the last two items I have, this is a makeup eraser towel. And I don't know where I've been, why I have not been using makeup eraser towels instead of just using a cleansing balm and rinsing my face. I feel like this is so soft and so gentle on the skin, and it removes all of your makeup. All you need to do is wet it, and then you use your cleansing balm or whatever you use to remove your makeup and just wipe it off. And I feel like this is very, very good for getting into the hairlines. You know, we be having a lot of makeup in our hairlines, and when you wash your face, you don't really get the hairlines. So I feel like this removes all of the traces around your hairline, and it gets the makeup off. Mine is kind of dusty right now because I used it last night, but y'all know makeup be staining stuff. You could get these from Amazon, from Target. My aunt had gifted me this one year and I never used it until I went to DC, and I was like, yo, why have I never been using one of these before? It's so good. Like, it removes all of your makeup. The last item I have that I have been loving is this Seamoss papaya scalp scrub. This is an exfoliating shampoo treatment. This helps to remove any impurities, dead skin, buildup off of your scalp. I feel like if you have more kinky curly hair, it's kind of hard to get the product into your scalp, so you might want to section off your hair, put it in, like, you know, your scalp, and then rub it in. It feels so good. So the salt grains in it is a little bit more abrasive and thick, but once you wet your hair, it melts into your hair and it actually shampoos your hair at the same time, and it doesn't tangle your hair and it doesn't rip your hair out. This is great for people that have a lot of buildup on their scalp. I have very dry scalp and flaky, so every now and then I will use this as a shampoo treatment to remove any dead skin cells off of my scalp. So yeah, these are currently all of my favorites. I have a lot more of these videos. I'll leave a link for them down in the description box or in the cards. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.